Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about an incredibly simple and effective method for estimating plant populations in the field using a hula hoop. Yes, you heard that right. The humble hula hoop, a tool commonly used for play, has a very practical use in agronomy. So if you're looking to take more accurate plant counts, stick around and we'll walk you through the steps. Before we jump into the method, let's quickly talk about why plant counts matter. Whether you are a researcher, an agronomist, or a farmer, knowing your plant density is key for assessing how effective seeding was, determining yield potential, or if you are doing experiments, assessing the effect of treatments on plant emergence, for example. Step 1. Mark a sampling area in your field. It is important to choose a representative section of your crop area. So pick a spot that reflects the overall condition of the field. Ideally, avoid areas with obvious issues like dry patches or places with high weed pressure. Step 2. Toss your hula hoop on the ground. You want to ensure the hoop is lying flat and that it covers a representative section of the field. The hoop should be entirely on the ground to ensure an accurate count. Step 3. Count the target plants inside the hoop. You want to count every plant that is inside the hoop, making sure not to skip any. Don't count any plants that are partially outside the hoop, as this will throw off your results. Don't count plants that are not the plants you are interested in. For example, don't count weeds. Step 4. Repeat the process multiple times across your field. You want to take several samples from different locations to get a representative estimate of plant density across the entire field. The more samples you take, the more accurate your overall plant population estimate will be. Try to move in a systematic way to avoid bias. The goal is to get a good cross-section of the field. Step 5. Calculate the plant population. To calculate the plant density, first calculate the area of the hula hoop. Now the hula hoop is a circle, so the area of a circle is given by A equals pi r squared. R is the radius of your hula hoop, so you will need to measure the diameter of the hula hoop and divide that by 2 to get the radius. Your plant density in plants per square meter is calculated as number of plants in the hoop divided by the area of the hoop in meters squared. So let's say the diameter of the hoop is 120 cm. That means the radius is 60 centimeters or 0.6 meters. Area of your hoop is pi times 0.6 squared, which is 3.14159 times 0.36, which is 1.13 meters squared. So that is the area of your hoop. Now supposing you counted 28 plants in the hoop, then your plant density is 28 divided by 1.13, which is 24.8 plants per square meter. If this is a crop like canola where 50 to 80 plants per square meter are ideal, this result can be concerning, as densities below 30 to 40 plants per square meter for canola can lead to reduced yield predictability and increased vulnerability to weed pressure. Now, if you want to estimate how many plants you have in a hectare, multiply your answer in square meters by 10,000. And if you want to estimate how many plants you have in an acre, multiply your answer in square meters by 4,046.86. So in our previous example, that will be 248,000 plants per hectare or approximately 100,362 plants per acre. And that's it. You've successfully counted your plants using a hula hoop. With this simple method, you can get a good estimate of plant density, which will help you make informed decisions, such as whether to reseed or not. I have developed a simple spreadsheet that you can use to help you with these calculations. All you need to do is to input the diameter of the hula hoop and the number of plants in the hoop, and it will automatically calculate the plant density in plants per square meter, plants per square foot, plants per acre, and plants per hectare. A link will be in the description below. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more agronomy tips. Let me know in the comments section below if you have any questions. Till next time, friends, keep growing.